Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu reports, when food for breaking fast was presented to a person observing fast among Muhammad's companions, and if he slept before eating, it was compulsory for him not to eat that night and the following day till sunset. Hazrat Qais bin Simran Sari was keeping a fast. When the time of breaking fast approached, he came to his wife and said to her, "Do you have food?" She replied, "No, but I would go and try to find it." He had labored hard that day, so the sleep overcame him. His wife came, saw him and said, "Alas!" When the half of the day passed, he fainted. When it was mentioned to the Prophet ﷺ, this verse was revealed. It was made lawful for you to go near your wives in the nights of fasting month. So the people felt extreme ecstasy on it. And then this command was revealed, and eat and drink until white thread becomes distinct to you from the black thread. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 187. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1915.